Setting up an Android device for work. Instruction for admins for registering an Android device with Android Enterprise using AFW #MobiVisor. Preparation. Create the user list in your MobiVisor domain. Assign the users to groups and distribute the apps in the groups. Ensure a stable internet connection. Ensure that all devices are sufficiently charged. Before you can start setting up, you must reset the devices to the factory settings, then restart the devices. Step 1. Choose Start. Step 2. Click on Agree to All and on Accept at the bottom right. Step 3. Now click on Accept. Step 4. Connect the device to the Wi-Fi or use the mobile data to continue. Step 5. The screen Copy Apps and Data appears. Tap on Do Not Copy. Step 6. The Google login page appears. Enter AFW #MobiVisor in the email address or phone number field and click Next. Step 7. The device now belongs to your organization. Tap Continue. Step 8. In your case, click on Business Use Only. Step 9. The phone is beginning the setup. Tap on Next. Step 10. Your device is now a company device. Tap on Continue. Step 11. Accept the Google services to continue. Step 12. The MobiVisor app opens automatically. Tap on Done. Step 13. An app installation is not yet necessary. Select Later at the top right of the screen to skip this step. Step 14. You are on the home screen. Open the MobiVisor app. Step 15. In the MobiVisor app now select Set up Android Enterprise Environment. Step 16. You will automatically land in the system settings. Grant MobiVisor all permissions here and then exit the menu with the button at the bottom right. Step 17. You will be redirected back to the MobiVisor app. Log in via QR code or password and username. Step 18. The login data for the MobiVisor app can also be found in your personal MobiVisor domain. To find it, go to Users and List. You can use the Time Limit for QR code menu to set how long the QR code can be used to log in. After that time, you must create a new one. Please note that you must use an individual QR code for each user. Step 19. To register with a user QR code, click on QR code. Now scan this via the MobiVisor app. Once the device has been successfully registered, a 1 will appear next to the user. You will now also find the device in the device list of your MobiVisor domain. To log in with the username, password or MobiVisor domain, you can also take the username from the user list. The password is not saved in MobiVisor and cannot be read there. If you would like to use this for logging in, please store it separately. Step 20. After successful login, all apps from user groups are installed automatically. Policies are applied automatically, and the device appears green in the device list and can be controlled via MobiVisor. On Samsung devices, after successful registration, you must now also activate the Samsung API. Thank you for watching. Any questions or are you in need of help? No problem, our team will gladly help you. Call us using +49 341 9916 0142 or write an email to mds@iotic.de.